Need help in turning your fabric tubes or straps inside out for your sewing project? Well, in this video, I'll be showing you 2 methods of how you can accomplish that. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, SEWrifically Sarah. And in today's video, I'll be showing you 2 methods of how to turn fabric straps or fabric tubes inside out. The fabric straps that I've made today are those I've created for the So Powerful Purse project. I already have done 1 tutorial out of the 3 purse types for the project already on my channel if you would like to check that out. These methods can be used for any sewing project in which you are creating a fabric tube for a dress or corset straps or for purses or for whatever that you're making. Also, stick around to the end of this video for a quick tip on making a fabric tube or straps. If you're resonating with any of my content, please leave a positive comment or feedback, and subscribe if you're interested. Now, without further ado, so method 1 is using a bobby pin. You'll need scissors and a bobby pin, of course. Now, take one end of your strap, and on the fold, you'll cut a little slit. I cut mine a 1/4 inch from the bottom because that's how much my seam allowance is, and I won't be going higher than that. And when I say like a little slit, I mean like 1/8 of an inch. Now you're going to take your bobby pin, and with the smaller top end going inside the strap while the taller top end goes into the slit. Insert it all the way in, and you'll start pulling the strap downwards over the bobby pin. Keep pulling the gathers down, and eventually the strap end will fold inside of itself. And you'll keep going until the bobby pin appears on the other side. By the way, this first method only works if both ends of the strap are open. The second method works if both ends are open or if one end is open and the other closed. So stay tuned for that. This process took me maybe 5 to 7 minutes because of the strap length, but it will vary based off the length of the strap or fabric tube that you have. The bobby pin is now out. Continue pulling the gathers down until the strap is completely inside out. Take the bobby pin out if you haven't already, and the first method is done. Now on to the second. Method 2, we're going to use a quick turn tool. So I bought this tool at Joann's, and it comes with 3 different sizes, and you'll choose the size that corresponds with your strap size. I'm going to use the biggest one, which is for straps that are 1 inch or bigger. You'll take one end of the strap and put it through one side of the cylinder using the round end of the wooden tool. Now, if one of your strap ends are sewn closed, make sure you're putting the open strap end through the cylinder first. The sharper end of the wooden tool is used after you turn the strap inside out, and you need to poke out the corners if one of the strap ends are closed. Once you push the strap through to the other end of the cylinder, leaving about 1 inch to 1.5 inches out, you're going to fold the strap over the cylinder. Then, you're going to use the rounded end of the wooden tool again to push the strap inwards, while simultaneously pulling the folded strap end over the cylinder. You're going to get to the point where the strap is completely covering the cylinder, and you won't be able to use the wooden tool anymore. Get a good grip of the bottom of the cylinder and start pulling the strap downwards. Remove your hand and pull the rest of the strap down. Continue with this process until you reach the other end of the strap. This is a quicker method than the first and takes less time. The other end of the cylinder is now out, and this second method is done. Now, if one end of your strap is sewn closed, then the cylinder won't appear at this end at this point. You'll just have to squeeze the cylinder back through the other end that's open, which is easy. But if you all would like me to demonstrate that, leave a comment below and I will make a video. Okay y'all, those are the 2 methods. Now for the quick tip. I learned this tip from the So Powerful Purse project. So when you're typically making a fabric tube or strap, one side is on the fold and the other is sewn down. Well, instead of leaving it like that, open and press the seam flat. It can make it easier when you're turning the fabric tube or strap inside out. At least it did for me. Alright, that's all I have for you all today. I'll see you in the next video.